Okay, let's start the logic gates, which is in your 12th standard experiment. This was last year. Till last year, this was in the activities, and then after that it was transferred into demonstration. And this year it is directly transferred to the experiment. Okay, this year you are having this as an experiment for the 8 marks. So right now we will do with some basic gates. There are 3 types of basic gates. One is NAND gate, another is OR gate, and NOT gate. AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Coming with the AND gate, so AND gate ka symbolic diagram is D type of diagram, in which 2 inputs are there, A and B, and Y is equals to A dot B. This is logic equation, which is the output. A dot B means A multiplied by B. Coming with the truth table, so truth table means what? It is the input and output ka relation which is meaningful. Meaningful means what? Means it has the proper output. Okay, usko tabular form mein likha, that is known as truth table. Coming with the input, there are 2 inputs, A and B. So here we have used 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 1 means plus 5 volt and 0 means 0 volt, which is used for the 1 as a truth, 0 as a false in your maths, and in the physics you are using 1 as plus 5 volt, 0 as 0 volt. Okay, coming with the first gate, AND gate. Coming with this, this is a logic gate ka circuit. This is your AND gate, and here we are using yellow color for the green color as a output. So we will take this green color ka wire connecting with the output. So this is output LED. If this LED glows means 1. If this LED doesn't glow means logic 0. Coming with the inputs, so there are inputs A and B. This is A and this red one is B. This is A and this is B. Okay, you can see over here logic 0 and logic 1. So 2 inputs are logic 0 and 2 inputs are logic 1. If we are supposed to connect 0 0, we will connect this 2, and when we are supposed to connect 0 and 1, so 0 and 1, 1 and 0, so 1 and 0 जैसे रहेगा वैसे we will connect it. So let's start with the first. The first input is 0 and 0. Theoretically the value should be 0. Okay, so let's see this. We will connect A and B both. This is A is connected with the 0. B is also connecting with the 0. You can see it is connected with the 0 and the output is 0. So we can write that 0 into 0 is 0 into 0 is 0. So observed value is also 0. Next, B is 1, A is 0. So B is 1. So this red one is B. So B I have connected with the logic 1. You can see this. I have connected with the logic 1. I can connect here or I can connect over here also. No issue with that. So the output is same. It is 0 only. So I will write a 0. The theoretical value is 0. So observed value is also 0. Coming the next part. A is 1. B is 0. So I am keeping A. This A is 1 and B as 0. So this is your B. The red color is your B. So it is keeping as a 0. You can see this. Okay. A as 1, B as 0. The output is 0. Still it is 0. So I will write over here 0. The observed and the theoretical values are same right now. Coming the A and B both are 1 1. So we will go A and B both as 1 1. We have kept out. So I am taking this. This is your A connecting with the 1. This is your B connecting with the 1. So I have connected this both and I have seen this ki the output LED is glowed. Glowed means 1. Okay, so I will write over here 1. So this completes your AND gate. Okay, coming to the next gate. Next gate is OR gate. In the OR gate, we are having 2 inputs same way. The output is A plus B, means addition of A and B both. So logic equation, truth table. Coming to the truth table, A and B ka inputs are 0 and 0. The output is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is also 1 because we are talking in the sense of voltage and the LED glow. Okay, not in the sense of 1 plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is a different thing. But in this condition we are using true or false or logic 0 and logic 1. So let's start with the second gate. The second gate is OR gate. So this is your OR gate. So I am connecting the output initially. Okay, then the blue color as a and red color as a B, same way. The first condition is 0 and 0. A and B both are 0, 0. Then we are connecting logic 0 with the A, logic 0 with the B. The output is 0. You can see that output is 0, same as a theoretical value. So this is 0. Okay. Next combination, A is 0, B is 1. A is 0, B is 1. So coming with this, so I am taking out, we are having A is 0, B as 1. So as I am connecting B as 1, you can see this, the LED glows. So means the output is 1. So you can see that 0 plus 1 is 1. Theoretically, observed value is also 1. Coming to the next part, A is 1, B is 0. So in this, then I have disconnected the inputs. I have told that A is 1. A is 1, B as 0. So logic 0 is connected with the B, A is connected with the 1. Output is 1. Same way I will write 1 over here. In the next step, A is 1, B is also 1. So let's start with this. I have disconnected inputs. Then logic 1 is connected with the point A. Then B also is connected with the logic 1. Output is 1. Okay. So this also will be the same 1. So this completes your OR gate. Next is NOT gate. NOT gate is also known as complementation gate or inverter. Okay. Because this invert the output. Okay, you can see that it is a triangle kind of circuit only. So that if you see on the input, if the input is 0, the output will be 1. If the input is 1, output will be 0. Means what? You will give the 0 volt, it will convert it into the 5 volt, means logic 1. If you give logic 1, it will convert it to the logic 0. Coming to the circuit, let's start. So let me take out all the things. This is your NOT gate. This is connected with, you can see that I have not given any input, but still the LED glows. Means I have not connected anything, means the logic is 0 is applied. So that's why the output is 1. So let's start with the connection with the 0. I have connected with the logic 0, I am getting 1. You can see that LED glows. So I will write it down this. 0 ka I have get 1 and the observed value is also 1. When I will connect with the A as 1. So let's see that. I am connecting this input as 1. Logic 1 is connected, I have got 0. The LED is off. Means I am getting 0. Okay, so this completes your basic gates. This completes your basic gates. About the logic gates, there are 3 basic gates, AND, OR, NOT. And the remaining 2 gates are there, which is NAND and NOR. They are the building blocks. Okay, we will do it in the next video. So